It's glad to see you in our live channel again, and today I will introduce you our hot selling zirconia block 30 Pro ML, and our today's topic is 30 Pro ML aesthetic design and superb repairing characteristics. With the continuous improvement of social development and people's quality of life, people pay more attention to the aesthetic problems of the anterior tooth restorations and even exceed the functional problems of posterior tooth restoration. This requires dental factory dentists to consider the color and the strength of the material in order to obtain a reliable long-term effect of aesthetic effect and aesthetic effect so as to meet the patient's aesthetic requirements and strengths. We are introducing 3D Pro ML for you, and so now we gotta be presenting our 3D Pro ML aesthetic for you, and so let's get started. So why do we choose 3D Pro for making restorations, and what are the advantages of using 3D Pro ML zirconia blocks for making restorations? And next, I will answer these two questions. Because our 3D Pro has so many advantages. The first is high strength. High strength, less chipping, no work rate. Considering those advantages, you can use the block without worrying about the denture quality. And the second reason is it's good original material. It uses glue-free powder without adding organic molding agent and does not produce any odor and smoke pollution during the firing process. And of course, it is due to its high translucency. A class of beauty design, high incisal translucency and perfect transition color. We can see the specific physical and chemical parameters in the screen. We can know some details such as its chemical composition and its translucency and strength. You can have a look at this screen. So then let us take a look at the translucency and strength of 3D Pro. Look at the following. Look at the table. Its aesthetic translucency is from 42% to 49%. And the strength and the bending strength is from 800 to 1,200 megapascals. So we can know that 3D Pro's translucency is comparable to the translucency of glass ceramics, and the strength is far higher than the glass ceramics. So this is amazing. And now we can have a look at our look at the translucency of denture milled from 3D zirconia block after centering through the video. So let's us look at the video. So from the video, we can know that the teeth have greater translucency, matching with our natural teeth. So next, our Bloomden 3D Pro ML supports faster centering, which guarantees strength, translucency, and aging effects. Its furnace centering time is only 63 minutes, including heating and cooling time, so it can greatly shorten the centering time and guaranteeing its properties. And and now we can see its 3 parts on the teeth. Its incisal zone has high translucency, 49% translucency, and the transition zone has natural neonous color, and it's the cervical zone Also, its high strength dentin zone has good shading effect. The left picture is the effect of 3D Pro ML magnified 5,000 times on the electron microscope image. We can see that the inside of the zirconia block is uniform and free of impurities. You can compare the picture on the right and the uniquely hydrogenized microstructure and the chemical formulation of 3D Pro ML resists aging from cubic phase to monoclinical phase, so it can be used. So the restoration made by 3D Pro ML can be used for above 10 years. It is prepare. So we call 3D Pro ML prepare for a long time. Our 3D Pro ML has 3 available systems: 98mm system, 95mm system, and 8G system. It is suitable for almost all systems in the market. It has two packages. You can choose package as you need: magnetic white box, and corrugated white box. Also, Bloomden can provide you some unique surface, such as OEM surface. We can provide a logo printer, design the logo as you want, and packaging design as you want. And our 3D Pro has a wide of indications. It can be applied to almost all indications, such as posterior bridges, inlay, vernier, single crown, onlay, non-span curved bridge, full arch bridge on implant. So it has a wide range of indications. And some clinical cases in 3D Pro ML. This is all supplied by our client. So thanks for you providing those cases to us. In this picture, after wearing our 3D Pro ML restoration, they all show us beautiful smile. And some dental cases in 3D Pro ML. These all made by those cases all made by our own technicians. And our 3D Pro ML available to filter 16 shades and bleach 4 shades. It can be used with Bloomden glaze and stain kit to create a natural aesthetic transition from dentin to incisal arch. So this is our Bloomden live show about 3D Pro ML, and we will broadcast it regularly in the future, so please continue to pay attention to our channel. Goodbye.